Let me ask you something really important. If something happened to you tomorrow, would your partner be okay financially? Not emotionally, that's a complete different conversation. Could they pay rent or the mortgage, cover daily expenses, handle debt alone? If that question is making you uncomfortable, good. Because today we are answering a question most couples avoid. Do couples really need life insurance? Let's talk about it. The main reason couples avoid life insurance is not because they don't care. They avoid it because it feels morbid, it feels too early, or they think they'll figure it out. Some couples even think we're young, we're healthy, nothing's going to happen to us. But here's the truth no one likes to say out loud. Life insurance isn't about if something happens, it's about being prepared if it does. Let's clear something up. Life insurance isn't about death. It's about continuity. It's about making sure that the surviving partner doesn't lose their home, kids don't lose their stability, and dreams don't disappear overnight. Think of life insurance as a financial bridge. If one income disappears, life insurance helps the other person cross safely without chaos. So, to help you understand, let's walk through a couple of situations. Scenario 1, one income household. One partner works, the other manages the home or kids. If the working partner passes away, there's suddenly no income, bills still coming, kids still needing care. Life insurance replaces that income at least temporarily. Scenario 2, dual income couples. Both partners work. Some people say, we're fine, we both earn. But think about this, mortgage is based on two incomes, lifestyle is built on two salaries. Lose one income and suddenly everything feels heavier. Life insurance buys time, not panic. Scenario 3, debt and responsibilities. Student loans, car payments, credit cards, medical bills, those don't disappear just because someone does. Life insurance prevents love from turning into financial burden. Now let's move on to the next important question.
Actually, this is the number one question I get about insurance, and that is, how much insurance should I purchase? My answer is always, buy what you can afford. The reason is because you need to be able to make that payment today, tomorrow, a year from now, 5 years from now, even 10 years from now. Now your life might change, you might have children later on, your needs might change, so you can always purchase more in the future, but you want to make sure that you get into coverage as soon as you can, and particularly when you're young and you're healthy. Now, there are a lot of needs analysis tools out there where you can scope out how much it would cost to have these additional benefits, and those tools might tell you that you need $1 million of coverage, $2 million of coverage. And for some of you, that might be correct, but for many of you, that might not be what you can afford. So look at your monthly balance, what your budget is, and determine how much you can pay, and you can sustain that payment throughout your lifetime.
Okay, now let's quickly break down term life and whole life. Term life insurance covers you for a set number of period like 10, 20 or 30 years. It's more affordable and it's more ideal for young couples, new parents and mortgagees. Think of term life as protection for your most vulnerable years. Whole life insurance, on the other hand, covers you for life, is more expensive and builds cash value over time. It's better for long-term planning, estate planning, and for those who want a permanent coverage. Most couples start with term life, and that's okay. Speaking of term life, iCoreDirect offers a simple and affordable way to protect your family's future. With instant decision coverage available for individuals aged 18 to 55, you can secure up to $500,000 in protection for 10, 20 or 30 years. All you have to do is go to iCoreDirect.com, answer a few personal and medical questions, and voila, in just 5 minutes, you can get your life insurance policy covered for your needs. Here's the part that matters the most. Getting life insurance isn't pessimistic. It's the quietest way of saying, I love you enough to plan ahead. It's love without drama, protection without panic, and responsibility without fear. You're not planning for death, you're planning for life to continue. So, do couples really need life insurance? If you're building a life together, sharing responsibilities, and imagining a future, then yes. Not because something bad will happen, but because love means staying prepared. If this video helped you think about life insurance differently, then hit like, subscribe, and share it to your loved ones. Until then, stay secured.